Project management techniques are used to help organizations achieve their objectives. Project management techniques involve all the stages of planning, execution, and control of projects. They are also used to evaluate the success or failure of the project. The techniques used to plan, manage, and control a project are known as the PMP, Project Management Professional techniques. The most important aspect of project management is the ability to understand and apply the PMP techniques. It is important to have an understanding of the PMP techniques so that they can be applied in real-life situations. This will enable you to be more effective in your work. In this stage, the objective of the project is defined. This helps in identifying the scope and the resources needed for the project. A project plan is developed to define the scope and duration of the project. The project plan should include the schedule of activities and tasks. In this stage, the project is started. In this stage, the project manager identifies the team members who will be working on the project. The team members are selected based on their experience and skills. The project manager selects the team members from different departments and functional areas. This is the most important stage of the project. In this stage, the team members start working on the project. The tasks assigned to them are completed. The results obtained by the team members are evaluated. This is the last stage of the project. In the final stage, the results of the project are evaluated. The project is completed if the desired results are achieved. The evaluation is done based on the inputs received from the team members, the stakeholders, and the customers. The objective of the project should be clearly defined. The objective should be measurable and attainable. If the objectives are not clearly defined, it will be difficult to achieve them. It is important to identify the stakeholders of the project. Stakeholders are those people who will be affected by the project. They may be internal or external. The stakeholders need to be identified before the project begins. The project team should be selected based on the experience and skills of the team members. The project manager should select team members from different departments and functions. A project plan should be developed. The plan should include the schedule of tasks and activities. The project plan should be well documented. The resources required for the project should be planned. The project manager should develop a budget for the project. The resources required for the project should match with the budget. In this stage, a project plan should be prepared. The project plan should be submitted to the organization. In the executing stage, the project plan should be followed. The tasks and activities should be completed according to the plan. The results of the project should be evaluated. The project should be completed if the desired